Hey teachers, have you ever heard of the acronym KWL? KWL stands for Know, Want to Know, and Learned. I use the KWL chart when my class is about to read something new, like a book. Let's start by asking students what they already know about the book. They can look at the cover. Anne is a girl. Next, I ask students what they want to know about the book. They know she's a girl. Maybe they don't know where she lives. Where does she live? I don't know. I find that these two steps really help students feel motivated to start reading. Now it's time to read the book. We're going to read chapter 1. So after students read chapter 1, they're going to answer these comprehension questions. Finally, they're going to write down what they learned. All right, so they learned that Anne lives in Green Gables. Of course, you can ask them more questions, some follow-up questions. Is Green Gables an orphanage? Is Green Gables a city? What is Green Gables? Yes, it's a farm. So, would you like to give the KWL chart a try? Let me know in the comments.